Good product talaga tong Envy dahil kahit maraming layers magwo-work pa rin siya. 10 PM nagaya yung barkada ko sa Tagaytay. Kaya ito, get ready with me video tayo. I-define lang natin ng konti itong kilay para mas may frame yung face. Next natin is my favorite organic moisturizer. Ang downside lang nito, sobrang glowy niya. Next, a light layer of skin tint. Just using my fingers kasi nagmamadali na rin naman ako. And this makeup you can do in less than 5 minutes. Blend lang natin ng maigi para mas seamless. A little bit of contouring sa nose, sa cheeks, sa jawline, para lang mas meron tayong definition. Blending it using my favorite buffer brush, and now going on to concealer. Konting-konti lang just to brighten up the under eye, and a little bit of nose highlight para lang mas matangos tignan yung nose natin. Para hindi tayo masyadong maputla, maglagay tayo ng konting cheek tint. This is where I place my blushes, blending it towards the eyes and the nose. Konting lip color na din to tie up the whole look. And now my favorite step of the makeup. Kitang-kita nyo naman medyo glowy yung face natin and ayoko ng ganyan kasi oily ako kaya isiset natin using the Envy Blur Balm. Instantly nakikita nyo yung difference. Aside from getting rid of the shine, you can also use this to set your makeup and lock it in place. Kita nyo dito sa forehead na wala agad yung shine. Habang minamattify natin yung face, sineset na rin natin yung makeup para mag-last siya the whole night. And since walang coverage yung Envy Blur Balm, hindi niya madidisrupt lahat ng ginawa natin sa face natin na layers. Instantly nagmukhang mas fresh, hindi oily, walang grease, at nagamit pa natin siya pang set ng makeup natin. Very compact in its sleek component. You can easily toss this inside your bag o pwede na rin na nasa bulsa mo na lang siya. Ito ngayon ang itsura ng skin natin. And just like that, we're done getting ready. See you guys on my next